Welcome to HardReset.Info channel viewers. In front of me, Xiaomi AX3600 router, and now I'm gonna show you how to merge 2.4 GHz and 5 GHz networks. So if you don't want to have several type of networks, 2.4 and 5 GHz, you can merge it, and in this way your router will automatically choose the type of network that will share to the device. So to do it, you just need to open settings in router settings, of course, and here choose Smart Connect. Wait a while, your router will be reset, and now we can connect to this router again. So, and now we can restart this web page, and great, that's it. As you can see, Smart Connect is enabled. Smart Connect is enabled, and now I'll show you. Wait a while. And here, as you can see, now we have only one Xiaomi, just only one Xiaomi network. We don't have 4G and 2.4G, but when we will check, of course I can do it on the iPhone, but if you have Android device, you can check the type of this network, and it will show you that it's using 5G. But if you will go away from the router to 20 meters, for example, so it will detect it like a 2.4, because router will automatically change the type of network. That's it. Thanks for watching. Like this video, subscribe to our channel, and bye. See you.